So really watch out, okay? Like, don't be standing still on the line. Don't run along the line. Just make sure you cross it when you're supposed to, and when it's safe to do so. Now Rainbow executed the victory.
Yay, rainbow.
4, 3, 2, 1.
All good. Watch out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, stack on the bus.
Me
Make
and this.
sure everyone's in line.
Blood red, what are you
Blood
doing?
red. Fuck's sake. Don't mix up your left and rights again.
Paladin.
Back to your collar. And watch out for the amount of stacks you're causing. Don't refresh this. Okay, you can go. Like, if you see an opportunity to cross a bit early, that's all fine. As long as you don't cost too many stacks, it's good. Shove the glaive. Like, it just gives everyone else more of a window to do shit they need to do.
This is tree dress and trunk cronk.
Wait for the volley and then go in.
Yep, don't be on the boss just yet. Okay, you can stack on boss now.
2, 1.
Embrace of the eclipse.
Back to your markers. Did you have a Fantas, by the way, Rainbow?
Yes.
Okay, good. Watch out. Okay. It's safe again to cross if you have to.
Next is Aura Blood and Tree Ground.
Don't refresh this now. Okay, next one's cross. Good. Don't refresh this.
Call
Watch
my
out.
Shaman.
Don't refresh this. Yep, good.
Tiger's left.
Keep focusing the boss.
5, 4, 3,
Okay, Glaive Storm is incoming, so don't be in front of the Tiger Lady.
Embrace of the eclipse.
Don't be in front of the Tiger Lady. Big glaive incoming. Watch out. Small glaives incoming. And the tiny ones. Watch out. Watch out. Fucking 8 stacks,
Call my
guys.
Talon.
Whew.
Deadly screech.
Don't cause too many stacks. Watch out. Come on. No need to go to 5. Focus Moon Talon.
Next is Aura Holy Pala and Trunk Dress.
Focus Moon Talon.
Deadly screech.
5, 4,
Storm.
Right. Get ready for the Glaive Storm. Don't be in front of the Tiger. Okay? Look at the Tiger. Glaive's coming in that direction. Bounce. And small bounce. Just focus on living. You can do it. Stop causing more
Call
stacks.
Moon Talon.
Really watch out with the stacks. Focus Moon Talon. Watch out. Don't be on the line.
Next is Nezuko.
Okay, good. Watch out. Don't refresh. Don't refresh. Come on, guys.
Deadly screech.
Keep your eye on the tiger now.
4, 3,
Right.
2,
Watch out for the tiger. Glaive storm is incoming,
He's
okay?
jumped. Tiger
Glaive
jump.
storm hit.
Glaive storm is incoming. Just watch out. Bounce incoming as well. Watch out. Small ones. Just focus on dodging.
Call Moon Talon.
Watch out for the stacks now. Watch out with the stacks. Don't go too high. Chill. Let it drop off. Okay, last one's crossed. Focus Moon Talon. Watch out. Don't refresh. Good. Focus the Moon Talon. You want to kill the Moon Talon before you go last phase.
Make sure you're all on it now. It's really low.
Deadly
good.
Screech.
In your own colors again. Just clear your Moonburn.
Stretch this out and make sure that you dodge the glaive.
Glaive storm.
Stretch it out.
Watch out for the Glaive Storm.
It's in the
watch out for
center.
the-
It's going to go through center.
Watch out for the Glaive Storm. Watch out for the bounces. Just focus on dodging. You'll be fine. Beacons. Place them at the edges of the room, please. Danny, you have it on you? Restress. Don't cost too many stacks, okay? Like, keep watching the line. Watch out.
More beacons coming in.
Don't cost too many stacks, please. Heal yourself a bit if it's needed. Helps.
Moonburn.
Don't cost too many.
I blink for the glaive there. Sorry.
Oh, fucking hell, that was shit.
I'm just tranking.
Stretch this shot out and dodge the glaive.
Yep, incorporeal shot. Okay, can you move the boss a bit to like a safe area?
Kinda boxed him.
Yeah, never mind. Just do it
I'm
later.
moving
Stand in
it.
the line now. Stand in the line. Stand in the line. Watch out for the glaives. Just dodge them. Dodge them.
Good, Rainbow gets safe.
Keep Rainbow alive. Fuck. Come on, guys. Watch out for it. Don't cause so many. Stop refreshing it. Stop refreshing it! Come on! Watch out for the Twilight Glaive.
Stretch it out and we've got a glaive stone.
Watch out for the Glaive Storm. Make sure everyone's in the incorporeal shot.
Glaive storm.
Be in the
The
incorporeal
bitch is
shot.
at the end.
Watch out for the Glaive. Be in the incorporeal shot. Watch out for the bounce.
Tomteboss.
Don't place bad lunar beacons. Watch out for the
Back
Twilight
home.
Glaives. And watch your stacks, okay? Don't cause a billion stacks, please. Watch out. Stop, 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 stop. Focus on living.
Right, we're
We're
going
gonna
to
have another
stretch
Glaive
out.
Storm and incorporeal shot. You'll have to stretch it out long. Everyone needs to make sure they soak it. And dodge the Glaive.
Glaive storm.
Incorporeal shot. Clear, you have the lunar beacon.
It's
Watch out.
going through us, careful.
Watch out for the glaives. Watch out for the glaives. Small ones. Watch out. And watch out with crossing, okay? Don't cost too many stacks. Don't make it hard for us. Don't cost too many stacks. Beacon. Some toys.
Door.
You died. Jump Twilight Glaive. Push the boss, guys.
Håller palla kan ju se.
Don't cause any weird stacks now.
You all have to stay in this and soak if it goes off this incorporeal shot.
Yep. Sure, everyone's in it. The boss is not dead yet. It's gonna die. Good job.
Nice.
Yes,
nice.
guys. Yes.
Good job.
Fucking hell. Oh, that was so
Guys, I heard Ret Paladin was shit.
Clearly dead spec.